Today I want to show you the best screen for keypad mobile phone. Now, if you go to the market, you see varieties of screen in different sizes for different phones. Now, in the market there are two major type of screen. You have the plain screen, and you also have the IC. This is an example of an IC screen. You can see them. It's an example of an IC. So you have this two major screen in the market for keypad mobile phone. Now, for you to buy, if you want to buy from the market, the best that you buy, I advise you to get is a plain LCD screen. Why did I say the plain LCD screen? The reason is that the plain screen, it gives you a clear color, the true color of the phone, compared to the IC. When you mount this on the modern phone of nowadays, let's say for itel example or Tecno, it's going to show quite alright, but it will change the original color of the phone. But when you mount the plain, you can see them. When you mount this plain on the phone, you mount all this plain, it will give you the original color of the phone. Even when you buy a new mobile phone now and open it, what you see mostly is the plain. This is what you get. Like example, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. This is an example of an IC screen, you can see, and this is an example of a plain screen. Now, when you can see, when you press this, you see that it is showing you the exact color. You can see that it's showing you the true color of the phone. It's a plain screen, but this is an IC. Look at it. This is not the true color of this phone. This is not the true color. Even if you go into the menu, you can see that the color, the original color, has changed. So when you go to the market to buy, get a plain screen and not an IC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more videos. Thank you.